What you got on your neck there?
I'm VIP. Don't frack with me.
You haven't seen me?
Around your neck.
I don't know. I just.
What is that?
It's my VIP pass.
What did you get
I
VIP?
am.
It's not. It's I'm his twin brother though.
I just couldn't get enough of them. Back then, it was 4 LTL 9000 were the biggest, baddest trucks back then. Tri-axle feed trucks, haul green corn into the farmers around. Yeah, and it was cheap. We bought sweet corn for $8 a ton. Dumped it at our farm out of Montreal.
Get in.
I can't.
I'm gonna pull you home. Come on. Get in.
I'll get in, but you ain't pulling my big ass.
Yes, I am. Get in.
Unless you got 9700 Ford kind of.
Get in the fucking cart.
I ain't getting it. Where'd my shirt go?
I don't know.
I didn't say it.
I just said it. Somebody. Are you kidding me? Who's fucking? Well, because you got dickhead fucking with us all the time. That's why.
In the back, in the very back. Calm down.
Where's my gun? I already lost it once. I reclaimed it today.
Walk to get to your two We're gonna walk a mile after you.
You fucking know we're not. We're
You want
gonna
me to-
ride with them and go pick it up.
Stealth mode. Ooh, more deers. Pretty fall. Look who I got stuck riding in the Uber cab with.
How about it? Yeah. We got Boston on, baby.
You promise me you won't crop dust me in here though?
I would really try not to.
I would really appreciate that.